All right, so I put front and rear brakes on this thing today, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm just test driving it. But when I went to go test drive it, it wouldn't start, which was weird because I got up on the lift. Was it kind of a hard start? Maybe, but it did definitely start. So I went and got a battery, put a battery in it, and now I'm going to test drive it for the brakes, make sure I didn't fuck them up. So something feels weird in that front. All right, turn around. That's working, I think. I want to just take it home real quick, check it out. Make sure the brakes are staying in place and all that good stuff. Then I'll run it around a little bit further. Damn! Fucking bottomed that fucking bike out, I swear. Looks like everything's staying in place. Front. But the front looks like it's good, staying in place. Huh? Everything good? Alright. Alright. Well, I'm going to take it around the block now. Everything looked good. And I got to be careful because that thing's fucking bottoming them out. Worries me. Bottom's out there, I don't care. Yeah, they're working. Just can't worry about so yeah, it's just the test ride. My daughter says there's supposed to be food trucks downtown here. I just don't know what time. She check, like we should run down here for like Schmidt's little sausage house thing. So I'm going to run down through here and see what they got. (2012) with 5,935 miles on it. So nothing down here yet. But I think I did all right. The battery wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be to put in. I struggled with the front brakes because I'm an idiot. Let's see. Yeah, I bought brakes, and on the outside of the package it says, do not refit the shims. So my ass was using the shims that came on it, and I couldn't get the fucking brake pad in. So it took me 15-20 minutes off camera to figure out that I'm an idiot. The brake jobs on this bike, literally 15-20 minutes, if that. Got one pin you gotta pull. Pull out your, just like a car, you gotta push your pistons in on your calipers and put the brake pads back in, and it fucking works like a charm. Easy peasy, baby. This thing will fucking send your spine up your goddamn back if you hit a bump. I can tell you that. Yeah, this was just a quick test ride to see if I'm going to kill myself when I ride this thing, since I changed the brakes. I think I'm pretty good. They a little squeaky right this second. I did put anti-squeak stuff on the brake pads though. I don't know. Dirty. Wipe it down when I get home, maybe. Fucking mirror, Jesus Christ. Cooperate with me. Lady, stay in your lane. Trying not to fucking blow past these people. We had a windstorm yesterday and blew down some fucking trees in our neighborhood. I'm glad nothing happened to ours house, but anyway, I'm out. I'm coming. I'm home. So I'm going to stop this video. Sure I ain't bottoming out on the fucking thing. And I will catch you on the next one.